channel, everybody.
Hello.
Hello.
What's your name?
Ayaz.
Hi, my name is Emre, and what we are going to do today?
We're going to open power up to 20, and this is power up 20 electric paper airplane
Kit. Yes, let's show you how it looks.
Alright.
We had before the paper airplane, but this time this is the electric one, and
Yeah.
it goes
Super
around
fast.
30 seconds.
Yeah, 30.
Let's open the box.
Okay.
So here is the airplane. Ayaz is going to open up, but we need one screwdriver and we need 3
co-fire batteries.
Yes, double A batteries. Okay,
Yeah,
Ayaz,
double A
let's
batteries.
open it.
So this is for the wait one sec.
Oh, it got stuck.
This is the power up, and this is like the motor,
Yeah.
and it goes super fast.
This is a battery pack. This is a motor, and we have one extra propeller here.
And this is for the airplane.
Is this antenna?
I think so.
Okay, let's take it out. Okay, and we have the airplane paper here, and we have another one. I think this is the extra one.
Yeah, it is
Here.
actually the extra one.
So let's close it and try to make it ready.
First, let's see how it works.
So it says 3 speed, 4 light, and difficulty is easy. So there's an instruction, there's a QR code here that shows the instructions. So, okay, let's start building the airplane. Okay, what we are going to do now?
We're going to fold it to make the paper airplane.
Yes, let's start from here.
Okay,
First,
that's
where's the
very
trim
good.
card? We
Trim
have
card?
a trim card. The trim is here.
We're just pretending that that's like a type of tool to like make it super straight.
Yeah.
Just
That's
pretend.
more precise airplane.
And we promise that we're not crazy at all.
Then we flip it. Then we fold it down. Sorry.
I mean,
Then we have to fold it in
Like
this
that?
way. Exactly.
yes, exactly.
And trim card again.
And that's not true.
But it says trim card.
Oh yeah, right.
Good. Then we fold it up until the top point. Right? This is our reference point.
Yeah, that's a reference point.
Then we first fold it from the right until that point and find the trim card. So maybe we can use the scissors.
Yeah, the
This
scissors are
edge.
super better.
Right?
Yeah, look how good that was.
Then we will fold the left side,
The left side to the pointy.
yeah, until that point.
Yep.
Then we will do the same thing. Let's make it flat. Or straight. Okay. Then the bottom side, it goes up until that point.
Yeah. Until to the like the dot.
Right?
Like the dot line.
That. Then we flip it.
Yes. Flip it. Woo! Just like we're in a roller coaster doing a loop-de-loop. I mean loop-de-loop.
With the loop.
Doop-de-doop.
Then I'm looking at the folding edge. Or wing folding edge. This is the, yeah, there is a dot.
Yeah.
You can use the dot as a reference point.
Yep.
Let's make it flat. Where's the engine? Oh, engine is here.
But where's the power up thing?
I do have. here.
Oh.
No. Let's make it flat. Okay.
You should keep it.
We have the airplane.
That's still not it.
But we will put the
Papa,
motor.
but you have to fold those pieces up.
I know. I'm just looking if that fits. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, fits perfectly.
So now we have to put this stabilizer here. So before, I think we have to attach the stabilizer. Hold on. Stabilizer. Oh my god, I cannot say stabilizer. I have attached to here.
Yep.
Now I'm gonna slide this from the bottom to the front and slide down. Here we go. We can use the stabilizer to the front.
Now we need the tape.
And yes, we need a tape.
And I already found the tape inside in our house. And our mom told us.
Okay, can I have the tape?
Of course you can.
Let's check the tape.
Oh,
And I'm gonna tape it from the top.
Papa, is the batteries in here? Yes. Just you pretending they're out.
Okay, I think pretty much ready. But let's.
First, put the tape.
I don't know if we need tape for bottom as well.
Yeah, we should definitely put it on here so that can fly perfect.
Come this way. Another piece of tape here to make it more stable.
Yeah. And there we go.
Okay, let's
But-
charge it. Oh, we have to cut
Yeah.
here.
Yeah, we have
Those are the elevators.
Yeah, so. Just no.
Yeah, let's come. Elevators are flip up. And now we will charge it. But
Let's-
first, hold on. First charge it here, then we can go there. Come.
Okay.
How we are going to charge?
This is the start and that's the stop.
Oh, I see. Well, let me see. Alright, I'm trying to understand.
Guys, it's a kind of hard.
This is the top side. I think maybe we will wait. How many seconds? It says 20 seconds.
And don't charge it up more than 20.
Okay, it didn't work.
Yeah, we still have to charge it.
Yeah, let's try.
But I think we have to put it all the way inside.
Charger is quite
Like hard.
fun.
Yeah. We have to wait for 20 seconds, I guess. Well, I think I know what's the problem. Just start here. This is where you should start. Like to do the controlling.
Maybe the batteries. Oh, maybe the batteries. Did you take the batteries? Oh, come on, silly us. We didn't put the batteries inside.
Yeah.
Oh,
Ah.
gosh. Come this way. Okay, put the batteries. Oh my god, what a big mistake.
A big problem. Big problem. Now let's put back the screw.
Whoops.
Wait.
Okay. Batteries are in. Can I try first? Can I try first?
No, can I try
Can I
first?
try
Because
first?
but that's my toy. That's my toy.
Okay, okay. But this side goes up, okay? Like this. Ooh, it's spinning. Go. Okay, we will show you more videos. Okay, let's test it out. So you are charging, right?
Yeah. Let's charge it up in 20 seconds.
Okay, I think it's 20 seconds. I'll try. Oh, another fail.
Wait, maybe we have to throw it high.
Maybe.
Let's try that, okay?
Okay. Let's do the last one.
Yeah, probably now this will work. Oh, now I see. It's not working because.
Did you put it wrong?
No.
Or it starts spinning? I can't hear the sound. Try it.
That's weird. It doesn't work too well.
Oh, it worked.
Wait, let's go to the next one.
Okay.
Oh, I think we have a problem.
What?
Right.
Oh, stop it. Okay, stop. Let's take out the grass.
Great. Should we, I think, let's go to
This
the
way. Maybe
Yeah.
you can throw it this way.
No, let's go to the big field close to our house.
Okay, let's go. Let's start. We have a big field here. Okay, try. Put it up. Put it. What? Oh. Try again.
Look what's that where I just went.
Okay, I think the record is enough.
Are you alright, Dad?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Alright, let's
Okay, would you like to say something?
wait, let's go over there. There's such a good spot. Come on.
I never give up. Hadi enough. No, enough. Hadi try here.
Wait, I think we have to pull the elevator down. Wait, I think we have to pull the elevator.
Okay, let's try.
Yeah, we'll go.
Stop it. Okay. Can you fold it down?
Wait, one sec.
No. Oh, it's still out of the line. Hold on. Hold it. Hold from the bottom. Okay. Now let's try.
All right, this will work this time. I know.
Okay, we will see.
Now Lamborghini.
Come on.
Ready?
Yes, we are ready.
That don't work too much.
Okay, Ayaz. Would you like to say something?
Thank you.
And keep watching our videos, right?
Yeah.
Okay.